Right, here we go, Bespoke Flooring Solutions. When we have another big massive restaurant, and it's almost new, but we've got lots of bubbles through this massive rubber flooring, expensive rubber flooring. I mean, you can see though now we're going to repair it. This has been apparently fitted, I don't know, not that long. Whether they've used the wrong adhesive or subfloor latex leveling compound has just bubbled and left it from the subfloor. So we're here, and the only bad news is with this contract, you can't do it during the day. It has to be either midnight to morning or Saturday, Sunday. I mean, this is just one area. So I'm on 10th floor, 9th, 8th, 7th, 5th, and mezzanine floor. So I don't know how we're going to do it. This won't be repairable, but we're here to repair it. And if that's good enough for the client, we will carry on. If not, we just terminate the contract. Look at it. I've never seen this sort of bubble in my entire 23 years of flooring. This is very odd. So, oh my God, look at that one. This is just like a, art bubble. That's what I name it, proper art bubble. Oh, our boy's gonna love this. This is gonna be, I'm here just to do like a test, basically. Repair it, got all the tools here. And hopefully that will work. This is just one area. We got the whole of 10th floor. We'll see, eh? If we're lucky, we'll keep the client happy. Beautiful. See you later.